Pleiadian Starseeds, the role of nature and time outdoors. For those who identify as Pleiadian Starseeds, spending time in nature is often seen as an important way to connect with the higher self and the wisdom associated with Pleiadian star ancestors. Being outdoors can help create a peaceful and balanced environment, which many believe supports tuning into the energies linked to the Pleiadian lineage. This connection may be experienced in many different natural places. Ancient forests, quiet meadows, mountain trails, lakesides, and ocean shores each offer their own unique atmosphere. Even in cities, places like parks or private gardens can provide a space for this connection, especially when approached with mindfulness and awareness. While in these environments, it can be helpful to notice the subtle energies around you. Some people find grounding by standing or sitting with attention to the earth beneath them, listening to the sounds of nature, or watching the play of sunlight and shadow. These simple practices may help bring your focus to the present moment and deepen your sense of connection with the natural world. To further this connection, some choose to invite communication with their higher self or Pleiadian guides. This might involve quiet meditation, gentle breathing, or setting a clear intention. Guidance could appear in different ways, such as seeing a particular animal, finding a certain plant, or noticing a change in the atmosphere. Many interpret these moments as meaningful signs or affirmations. Reflecting on these experiences can support your journey. Keeping a journal for your observations, insights, and intuitive feelings may help strengthen your intuition and sense of connection to both the earth and the stars. Over time, this process might reveal patterns or guidance that encourage your spiritual growth.